Introducing Clevera's new video cover feature, the easiest way to add a professional branded opening to your screencasts in just a few clicks. Rather than starting the screencast immediately, we'll set the stage with a dedicated intro. I'll add an opening that includes a title, a description, and even a custom background to make it pop. To get started, simply click the first item in your timeline. Then, click the plus button directly above that clip. Select Video Cover from the menu to open up the new Settings panel. You'll see options for everything from solid colors and gradients to images and light leaks. Let's go with a custom gradient for our background. We'll pick a vibrant green for the start and a deep blue for the end to create a smooth, modern look. With our background set, let's move down to the title section, where you'll find a full suite of typography and alignment options. If your title isn't visible on the canvas right away, don't worry. It's because you are at the very first frame. Let's move the playhead and position it somewhere in the middle of video cover track on timeline, and the title becomes visible. You have all the typical typography options right here to make sure your title looks exactly how you want it. We'll go with center alignment and place the text right in the middle of the frame, but you can easily experiment with other positions until it's just right. Next, we'll add an optional description below the title. This is perfect for providing just a bit more context for your viewers. Simply toggle the description on and type in your text. The formatting options are identical to the title settings. You've got full control over the typography for your description, just like with the title. Finally, let's look at the logo option. Let's toggle the logo on and select an image from our library to add some brand recognition to the cover. You can easily resize the logo and reposition it across the frame. We'll set ours right at the top for a clean, professional look. Now let's add some movement. You can choose different entry and exit animations to make your cover feel more dynamic. We'll set the exit animation to mask outward for a stylish transition into the main video content. You can also select an intro track from the built-in music library that matches the mood of our video. Lastly, you can adjust the duration of your cover to perfectly time it with your music and transition. Once you're happy with the look and feel, just click Save Cover to add it to your timeline. Your new cover appears as a purple track on the timeline. Let's move the playhead to the beginning to see how it all looks together. I'll hit play now so we can preview the finished opening and the smooth transition into the screencast. This simple yet powerful feature in Clevera makes it easier than ever to give your videos a consistent, professional look. Thank you for watching.